Here's my thing. I have my old computer. It's gross looking. I hate it. Look how gross that looks. It doesn't look good. I said, how do I fix that? Well, it was on sale. So I had the genius idea of let's transfer everything from the old computer and put it in here. So that's what we're gonna do tonight. I don't know what I'm doing entirely. I'll be honest. So essentially, first we have to take everything out of the old computer. I already have the graphics card out because I feel like that was the easiest.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
There goes the power supply. We're okay. I can't wait to watch this train wreck. It's going to be. So tonight, that's what that's what I'm gonna do tonight. The only time you guys, I mean, if you didn't see my feet, you're not gonna see it here. SSD is out.
Pictures of Wave's feet for sale. Let me know. But don't tell Wave.
Haha! If you just pull on it hard enough. It'll all come out. I want no one to clip that and put that out of context. Don't say phrasing. Just don't be a heathen. You know, I'm disappointed. I thought we've grown so much since the pumpkin carving stream. I thought we've grown so much since then. I don't know if I needed to unplug everything because it's all going to the same place. All right, SSD out. So that when people watch this and see how much of a stupid idiot I am, they can come make fun of me over at twitch.tv/Waverunnner. That's Waverunnner with 3 N's. Live every, I don't know, Sunday, Wednesday, Friday, maybe. And if they want to come make fun of me, they can do that at 7 o'clock the next stream that they want to catch. You know what I'm saying? I didn't need scissors. I could pull it off with my hands. That's how brittle that zip tie was. The next step, I'm going to take the fan out of the back because I feel like that's going to cause some issues. What's the interior of the PC look like? Like crap. This may come to a shock to some, but maybe not all. I don't know what I'm doing. I gotta get the motherboard out of this, and I'm not ESD safe, dude. I say nay to the ESD. I don't fuck with it. Someone out there could be ESD safe, but it's not gonna be me. I'll be honest, I have no idea if this is gonna work. Ooh. If I break this, it's okay. Oh, there's still a screw over here. Oh, let's not take that CPU fan off. There's another screw. If I looked with my special eyes, my brand. The AIO shield, no! That's probably needed. These are all probably needed. Shite. Now for the new mother. AIO shield in first, if I'm not mistaken. That way I know where to plug my stuff in. This is where someone's gonna say, he didn't install the blah 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 before he plugged it in. I don't care. Do I look like a man that cares? All right. Now, mistake number 1. Mistake number 1. Can anyone tell me what mistake number 1 was? If you guessed that I put in the AIO shield upside down, you would be right. You would be right. Here's now that we have the motherboard in place, right? You screw them in. Now, pro tip, don't over tighten. You don't want to over tighten your motherboard. All right. Motherboard in. You have to warm up your computer like a car. I never heard of that before. Why did I find a screw? Why do I hear another screw? What did I miss? Oh, those never went in. Good. I'm glad. Those never went in. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine. Do you need every screw? 2 screws is fine. 2 screws is fine. 2 screws is fine. Only 2 screws fell out. We're on a good track. I mean, it could be worse. It could be worse. That's okay. We're in a good spot. Like, should we connect all this stuff? And then the power supply? Or should we do power supply? Well, I guess power supplies first would be the better option. My trick, if you guys want a computer building tip, if it looks like it's gonna fit in that spot, and put it in that spot. If it doesn't fit in that spot, don't put it in that spot. This thing's gonna blow up when he plugs it in. Just a tip. It's not gonna blow up. Check your smoke detector batteries before you check your smoke. It's fine, guys. What if I put the power supply in, huh? Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so graphics card. What is an F panel? That looks like it goes right there. This is where I just put it in any slot, and if it connects, then that's the slot it goes. Is that another screw? I lost another screw. I think that's it. Oh wait, we have to plug in these fans. Where would these fans plug into? Welcome to the Ohio stream. This is just where everyone from Ohio hangs out. Just 2 more inches, you mother. First person to say that's what she said gets banned.
Did you check your butt?
I did, in fact.
Did you check everyone else's butt?
I didn't. Everyone's gonna have to post butt pictures in the Discord. Don't do that. I didn't solicit butt pictures from anyone that watches my stream. I made a severe lapse in my judgment. Please don't do any of that.
Hello, TOS. This man right here. I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
Okay, I think we'll at least get power. You know what? I think we're at the moment that we just say, fuck it. We plug this bitch in. See what happens. Who cares? Well, it'll probably turn on. Okay, so we've lost 4 screws out of this motherboard. It's staying in there. Come over here. Moment of truth. Haha!
Nice.
Wave, can you be my IT guy? Yeah.
Computer load up celery man, please.
Yes, Paul.
Dude, celery man. Don't look at my thigh, please. That'd be fantastic. It's gonna be out, but I don't want anyone looking at it.
The wall wave it plugs into the wall.
It got power, but why didn't it power on? The 30
Rub
pin.
on it a little bit, maybe that will turn it on.
Wait, power LED power switch. It's hey, shut up. All the fans are moving. Try this, it worked for me. This may sound funny, but I've had this happen a few times with my Z97A. To fix it, you have to unplug my storage device, boot the PC, turn it off, then plug in the storage device and it fixes it. Only happens when I change out hardware and no clue why, but it seemed to fix it. Bro, what? Oh shit. That worked. We should just boot up into Windows. I gotta figure out the power button thing. It's happening. I did it. I fucking did it. We're back up and running. I just gotta figure out the power button issue. I don't think that's gonna work. I don't have faith in it. Ah! It works! I did it! Fuck yeah, boy! It'll say Asus here soon, hopefully. Yes! I did it! Everyone said it was going to be on fire. Everyone said it was going to not work. Everyone said this and that. And now look at me. Fire comes later. All right. There's no fire. Why do you want there to be a fire? There's no fire. Oh, shit!
Come on, watch the show. What do you know? We thought you the stream would blow. Let